Hi guys, this is Rythwin and this video will be doing the review for this Maona lavalier microphone. And guys, this is not a professional mic, and as you can see, this is used for some presentation or some kind of online classes. You can use it for daily usage for your mobile or your PC. And guys, I'll mention it again, this is not a kind of a professional microphone. It doesn't have like a noise cancellation or stereo sounding microphones. It's just a mono sounding microphone, guys. And let us do the unboxing for this microphone now. Okay guys, I'll just give you a overview of the box, and let's just see the box and what are things are mentioned with this box. And it says the compatibility for this mic that you can plug in into your smartphone camera. You can as I said, you can use it for a presentation or interview or like stuff like that. And let's not waste time looking into the box. Let's just unbox this microphone. And I've been also using this microphone for at least 2 to 3 days, and I just spent some hours looking into this microphone. And let's see what else do we get. Nothing is there in the box. Okay, let me keep the box aside. Let's look into this one. And this is the review card, guys. You should go to this website and you should rate your review, guys. And let me keep that aside. Over here it says the quick guide how to use this microphone, and it says like that. Okay, over here we get the converter pin for plugging into your PCs and the camera ports. Okay, over here we have the carry case for this microphone. It says Maona, and it's a good quality case, guys. Okay, here is the microphone, and let me just, guys, the cable quality is not bad for this price. And as you can see, guys, this jack is better than this one, because this is a plastic built and it's not very sturdy, as it may break in some few months. But this pin is quite sturdy, and it's a good quality metal clip that you'll be getting it with this one. Okay, let me just keep that aside. Over here we have the microphone, and I have attached the metal clip into this microphone. If you guys want, I will also show you how to attach this one. It's really simple, and just plug this into your microphone. You also have this sponge cap for the microphone to reduce some creaky sounds and wind blowing from your mouth. And guys, this is the 2-meter length cable. The cable quality is also good, but still in this price range, it's not a big problem that you will be getting a very good quality of cable. Okay guys, let me just do one thing. I'll just record this video or the half part, and I will be showing you how it sounds. And let me just give you a good idea whether you can buy this mic or not. Guys, I'm recording this part of the video with this microphone. As you can hear, I'm just going to tap this mic. As you can hear the sound, this will be the sound quality for this microphone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to get all my notification into your mobile or your laptop. And also like this video and share. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.